Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create interactive databases using Notion AI. So here's the step-by-step guide to create interactive databases using Notion AI, complete with an example. So you will just open Notion AI and create a new page, and you will just add a title like data set. And after when you just put them a title, and you will just tab on it a bottom table icon. And what gonna do, you will just tab on it number one column, and you will just add it like task name. And again I will just tab on it plus, and I will just write a new column again. You will also just suggest by here. And if I just tab on like priority level, so I want basically I want four make column. Basically I want four columns, so I will just tab on it again plus, and I will just write like deadline. You can just also create it a new property deadline, and just tab on enter. And the last one is that again I will just tab on plus icon. And the last is I want to just put status. So right now I will just have four columns. So if I just write the name like edit video, and just tab on enter. And the second one row I will just like to write upload videos, and tap to enter. So if I just fill the blank like priority level, and I will just write high, and just tap enter. And on the upload videos row I will just write it for medium, and tap to enter. And in the deadlines I will just write give them a date like Jan 15 2025. And if I give them a date like upload videos, so again I will just write Jan 17 2025. And so if the status, if I just edit the status like example I will just edit video high on this date and progress, so I will just tab on it and just choose the status of in progress. So in this way you can just use the Notion AI to create interactive databases using of your data set. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.